The first challenge was I need to be more in India to do that. In March 21, I was for a month and I was supposed to go back, and unfortunately my mother died just 11 months ago. So I couldn't travel to India. I had to stop everything. I stopped working. I was with my mom all the time. So I understand that if I want to do that, I need to be in India for a while, even for a couple of months. That's okay. So that was the first thing I understood. And this is a challenge, but I can do that. The second thing is finding good people who can help me. And I think I have good people who already want to help me. I just have to do it myself there and encourage them. I have some good people in Pune, in Coimbatore, in Delhi. They will all help if I speak to them and just get them aboard my ideas. The first thing was adopt a village. We already have two. I want to also promote this because, and again, I need to be in India for that, to see how it's working, how it's getting along. I need to be in India for that. And this is the biggest challenge for me. And not money-wise, by the way, okay? This is okay. I just need, because of the change with my mother's situation, it changed everything. So we're getting back to it, and I'm probably will be in India next month or the month after that. So that will be the challenge. The thrift shops. There are some on universities, by the way, in India that took this and they're making this like their projects in university. And I wrote a program and I sent them the program. And I also need to see how it's working now. If it's involving, if they are doing this daily. The thrift shop is new, so when I'll be in India, that will be my project. Finding a place, making like in Coimbatore, you have the RVS group around Coimbatore. You have a lower caste villages doing this there. But this is new. It was supposed to go along, but okay. You know, life has very surprises for you, and you need to embrace it and go along with that.